Have you ever been forest bathing? Because I went forest bathing for the first time like 2 nights ago, and I have never slept more peacefully. If you don't know what forest bathing is, it is a practice that was developed in Japan as a means to relax and reconnect to nature. And I'll post a link all about it in the description below. But Gina at Body Positive Works, where Lumina is also housed, led us on a forest bathing activity, guide, exercise. I don't know. All I know is it was absolutely incredible. And Gina was amazing in guiding all of us. And I took a bunch of footage before I just slipped into the ether of the forest and the woods and the water and nature. So this is only a little snippet of that, but it's an incredible practice. And if you try it or you find a practitioner in your area, let me know. If not, sign up with Gina at BOPO. But I am really curious after that experience what other people do to meditate, to relax, to reconnect, to break away from work. So if you have a practice that you really like, or if you have a ritual or just something that you do that allows you to decompress and relax, can you let me know what that is? Because I want to try it all. Enjoy.
Another thing is that when you're around trees and you're breathing in the cleanest air. And breathing in that clean air really helps our respiratory systems, our breathing, and our immune systems as well. So those are kind of things that I want us to think about a little bit today. Everything I offer you has a reason. I'm not just being silly and saying oh, I'd love to see these ladies lay on the ground and look up at the clouds. It is very beneficial for you, and all the things that I offer are researched with health benefits included, okay? Listen to the water. You can't really get in too much. Maybe over there you can. But it might be a nice place to just sit and listen to the water, or back by the other space. So the next little chunk of time is just playing with water. Get comfortable, get wet if you want to get wet, or just listen to it. Get settled. surrounded with shades of green. The trees and the different shades and shadows and the sounds, we're really in it out here. So this is where we're going to take a moment to get a little artistic or notice the art in nature. I'm going to give you guys picture frames, and you're going to find an area that if you could, you would hang it in your house. Imagine you have a bare wall in your house. You'll start with a bigger frame, and then I'll put a little pile to the side of smaller frames. And the invitation is to continue to zoom in and to continue to invite pleasure and joy and beauty. If you are inclined to begin to sketch, I have these little sketch pads with pencils. There's no right or wrong, there's no grading, there's no scoring. But the idea is to really focus in on that detail. If you need to take out your flashlight on your phone to really look at something closer, if you don't want to stay right here, you can explore the routes to your left and to your right. And the idea is to find that beautiful picture, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and notice details that nature's trying to show you today that you usually just pass right by.